Welcome to the captivating tale of the Oracle of Omaha, Warren Buffett. Widely acknowledged as one of the most successful investors in the world, he serves as a role model for innumerable budding entrepreneurs. Embarked on an intriguing journey from humble beginnings, Warren Buffett's journey is a remarkable testament to grit, acumen and perseverance. In this story, we delve deep into the life and times of Warren Buffett, unearthing the secrets of his enduring success. Born on August 30, 1930, to Howard and Leila Buffett, Warren Edward Buffett spent his early years in Omaha. His father, a stockbroker-cum-congressman, played an instrumental role in sparking his interest in stock markets and investing. Blending innate business acumen with exposure to the world of trading, Buffett began his awe-inspiring journey at a young age. As a child, Buffett exhibited a flair for numbers and an extraordinary ability to grasp financial intricacies. His fascination for practical application of economic theories painted the portrait of a budding investor. Toiling incessantly over financial reports, he honed his skills, gradually establishing himself as a shrewd analyst, capable of predicting market trends with unprecedented accuracy. In 1942, young Buffett purchased 3 shares of Citi's Service Preferred at a mere $38 each. A prospectus flicked casually by his father in his direction provided him with vital information on the company's finances. Analyzing it critically, he deduced that the prevailing rate was illogically low. He was eventually proved right, for the prices spiraled up, leading to a $2,000 profit for Buffett by the time he was just 16. Graduating from Woodrow Wilson High School, Buffett channeled his dedication towards making impressive academic strides. A pupil of Benjamin Graham, known anachronistically as the father of value investing, Buffett veered towards his astute mentor's sensible investment philosophy. Graham's principles on value investing, buying shares at less than their intrinsic value, became Buffett's guiding star. Post-obtaining his business degree from the University of Nebraska in 1950, Buffett embarked on an audacious journey spotting gaps overlooked by the financial world. His first job was as an investment salesman for his father's brokerage company. His initial years proved eventful but not highly lucrative, failing as a businessman and politician in the process. The turning point in Buffett's life came when he discovered a promising theory. Eco-investing, which sounds like hunting for profitable species of plants or animals, is actually the art of protecting our planet, while also protecting your wealth. Buffett, by investing in eco-friendly companies, proved that concerns for global sustainability can be harmonized with a substantial interest of profit. Buffett managed to weather economic downturns, demonstrating admirable resilience and forging a robust empire that continued to expand. This wealthy philanthropist, believing that giving is the best way to get, has pledged to give in excess of 99% of his wealth to philanthropy through his Gates Foundation. Over the length of his career, Buffett has subdued fierce market competition and emerged victorious. Widely known as the Oracle of Omaha, he held the throne as the uncrowned king of Wall Street, his potent investment strategies and business decisions cementing his legendary status. Buffett always stood out due to his utter simplicity. He never shied away from dictating his principles with a poetic touch. The Buffett rule became his most debated principle. It was his thought that there should be a minimum tax on taxable income, excluding charitable donations, starting from $1 million annually. Buffett was one who courageously shouldered failure, viewing it as the stepping stone to success. Quoting his words, "You only find out who is swimming naked only when the tide goes out," Buffett iterated the significance of unfettered honesty and submitted to scrutiny, stating that secrets would eventually burgeon to the surface. This insight effectively paved the way for a transparent work culture. Earmarked by his money is never guaranteed tomorrow mantra, Buffett advocated the significance of conscientious investments. Encouraging prospective investors to remain grounded, Buffett underlined the paramounts of avoiding whimsical spending, reinforcing his commitment to engaging in beneficial philanthropy. Buffett's life substantiates the belief that fortitude coupled with a profound understanding of economic intricacies can transform a mere inhabitant of Omaha into the powerful Oracle of Omaha. Head honcho of the leading financial arena, Buffett continues to reign today, his riveting story captivating hearts and inspiring minds. In an era witnessing fleeting success stories, Buffett's unfailing consistency stands out. Marking his presence in the Forbes list of billionaires, Buffett, with his perennially stable wealth, is respected not just for the size of his fortune but also for the patently transparent manner in which it was built. Unveiled here is a tribute to the undefeated champion who, through his vigilance and unwavering dedication, reigns high despite the sustained turbulence in the global financial markets. Warren Buffett, an embodiment of indefatigable spirit, a testimony to determination, a living inspiration. Buffett's valiant pursuit of financial success is marked by his ability to navigate the multiple ebbs and flows of the stock market with unmatched calm and composure. His riveting tale is one of audacious bit and resolute perseverance, a shot in the arm for anyone aspiring to taste success against all odds. A beacon of light for the upcoming generation of investors, Buffett instills insights on the significance of long-term investments over quick profit-making, the vices of impulsive buying, and the virtues of patient intelligence. Spanning an illustrious investing career, Buffett underscores the overarching significance of an intelligible investment philosophy and the dire need to persist. As the revered Oracle of Omaha, Buffett achieved remarkable success in the face of seemingly insurmountable odds. From simple beginnings in a small town to becoming one of the most powerful and influential investors in the world, his life serves as inspiration and proof that tenacity, intelligence, and integrity can indeed yield extraordinary success. The story of Warren Buffett isn't just a compelling and awe-inspiring narrative of rags to riches. It's a testimony of sincerity, integrity, and an unyielding belief in one's abilities. Indeed, his words of financial wisdom continue to resonate with investors, entrepreneurs, and students of business, illuminating the path to economic success and moral responsibility. Buffett's life, filled with astute insights, is testament to the effectual workings of introspection and prudent decision-making. Through all the ups and downs, he maintained his composure, steadfastly trusting in his abilities, unswayed by the tempestuous tides of financial markets, finally landing the king's crown of investing. The essence of Warren Buffett, the thrifty investor with a mammoth empire, rests in his humility. Truly the gem of investing, Buffett's wisdom and lucidity lend a fascinating narrative to the otherwise complex world of finance, empowering us with insights on value creation, wealth accumulation, and the essence of philanthropy. Possessing an ardor for investing that never dulled, a keen interest in companies that made money, and an eye for stock market value that few others possessed, Buffett's glittering financial odyssey continues to inspire all. Dubbed the Oracle of Omaha and Sage of Omaha, Buffett is not known for his rags to riches story but for his constant pursuit of knowledge and wisdom. With his advice impacting countless lives, Buffett's illustrious journey continues to set a precedent for cultivating the right mindset towards wealth creation. Buffett revolutionized the notion of value investing, advocating for the strategic selection of undervalued stocks. Drawn to resilient businesses boasting sustainable competitive advantages, Buffett invested in such with biblical patience, allowing the magic of compounding to progressively inflate wealth. In Buffett's epic saga, the recurring theme of calculated risk-taking is hard to miss. Be it his unwavering faith in the ailing American economy in the 1950s or the audacious investments in Coke and American Express, Buffett's astute risk-to-reward ratio has stood him in good stead. Buffett embraces intrinsic value, the foundation of his investment approach. Intrinsic value represents a stock's true value and is reflective of the potential future cash flows from the company. He typically buys stocks when they are selling at significant discounts to their intrinsic value, a pillar of his investing strategy. Chuckling in the face of operatic uncertainty, Buffett skillfully employs his economic moats and deploys his think sleeve to distinguish value from price, a trait born of his strong conviction in the eventual prevalence of fact over noise. Buffett, the quintessential value investor, champion qualities such as patience, self-control, and acceptance of one's limitations. His perennially successful investing journey is a testament to the power of humility, restrained optimism, and an unwavering belief in the value of time. The threadbare investing truisms professed by Buffett continue to inject sagacity into an investing minefield fraught with mistaken approaches born out of impatience, avarice, or pure influenced volatility. A beacon of prudent investing, Buffett persuades us to reflect in measured silence, rather than react in noisy haste. Painted against the backdrop of profound contemplation, Buffett's shrewd investment philosophy underscored the delicate balance between risk and return. Undoubtedly, one of Buffett's cardinal rules is adding to his knowledge each day, reaffirming the old adage that knowledge is indeed power. Buffett's life and times bear testament to the fact that heaven neither decrees success nor destines failure. Success is the outcome of relentless effort, audacious wisdom, consistent improvement, and unyielding optimism. The sky's the limit for any aspiring entrepreneur willing to emulate Buffett's remarkable journey. Entwined fundamentally with Buffett's illustrious journey is his passionate advocacy for sustainable growth that aligns with ethical trading practices. Buffett's exemplary trysts with brilliant companies put him on a globally agreeable pedestal, beyond his Jeep driving, cherry Coke swirling, unpretentious demeanor. The quintessential Buffett-winning formula orbits around his tactical navigation of market cycles, his perceptive skill of perceiving economic shifts, and his astute ability to focus on company fundamentals. His sagacious advice for investors to be fearful when others are greedy and greedy when others are fearful still reverberates. Everyone wants to be financially free, but few put in the hard yards. Here, Buffett sets a fitting example. His diligence, perseverance, patience, and unending hunger for knowledge, alongside his belief in simple living and high thinking, underscore the root of his monumental growth, offering an eloquent testament to what true success looks like.